Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert Excel table into image in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your table spreadsheet. We can see here many tables to this spreadsheet. Now we want to convert the table to an image. At first, go to the file menu. Select the save as option, then select browse, then choose your file location when we save the file. Now I am select the file name and write my file name, then click the save as type drop down menu and choose the save as type PDF, then click save, then wait some moment to saving the PDF and automatically open on Adobe Acrobat. We can see here open the file Adobe Acrobat. Now we want to convert the table to an image. Go to the file menu, click export to drop down menu and select image. We can see here many image format. Now I am select JPEG, then again select my file location and write my file name, then click save, then wait some moment to saving the file as a JPG, then go to our file location and check the file. We can see here the table. Now we want to check the file is JPG. Click right button and go to this properties and check the file. We can see the file type is JPG file. Then we open the file, double click. Now we can see we convert a Excel spreadsheet or table to a JPG file easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.